Hello, welcome to CodeBase Stirling and another episode, or actually the first episode of Level Up. And today we're going to be looking at code combat. Isn't that right, Kelly?
Yes, very.
So today we're talking about code combat, which, as it says on the tin, is the most engaging way to learn computer science. We've been doing this for a while, haven't we, Kelly?
Yep, we love it. It's a great way to introduce kids to Python, and it's fun.
It is. So, as you can see from the bottom here, if you log in, sign up and log in, you can continue your progress anytime you go away, but you don't have to. So let's just start right at the beginning. And as you can see, you'll be learning things like syntax, methods, parameters, strings, loops, and variables. Let's click play and see what happens. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Click play.
For the win!
For the win, Anya Weston. So the main aim of Code Combat is to teach yourself Python coding, but it's through this really fun and interactive game where you are a little hero and you have to fight your way through mazes. There are hundreds of levels. It gets really tricky the more you progress through it. But we'll start at the beginning. But as you can see here, you can actually choose which language you want to use. I recommend Python. You can use JavaScript as well, but I would stick with Python. So let's click next. So first thing you do is equip and then play. I'm not quite sure why this isn't shown full screen. Oh, and as if by magic. Right, so here we go. So level 1. What we'll do is we'll show you level 1 and then we'll fast forward through a few levels where it gets a little bit more complicated. So now I'm terrible at this because I can never see the spikes. But you can see here the goals: avoid the spikes, collect a gem. Let's start
for the win.
Okay, so you can see.
Treasure.
Okay.
You can use these methods.
Because this is the first time, it's giving you lots
Type
and lots
your
of little
code on
hints.
the right. Type a move down command on line
You don't
6.
need me for this bit, do you? Okay. So here is where you write your lines of code. These are the lines of code you can use, and whatever you do here and click run affects what happens over here. So every level you have goals. In this instance, because it's only level 1, it's really straightforward. You avoid the spikes and collect the gem. If you get stuck, and you will, click hints up here and that will give you some advice. Right, Kelly. So line 1, hero.move right. Now where do we want to go? We have to get from there to the gem.
Honesty.
So let's type hero.move down. If you just type the H, it will come
Oh, that's handy.
up. So hero move down. I like to do one line at a time and then click run. Down, okay, and then finally, where do you think we're going?
We're going to go right.
Hero move right. Well done, Kelly. Down and right. And that's it. We've done it. We are now coding
What a
geniuses.
team.
Well, not quite. Because that was very, very straightforward.
The game aspect I like is at the end of every level that you've completed, you
For the
get
win.
little prizes. So you can. So now we are going to equip our character with a sword. So now she'll be able to fight baddies. And each level you sort of get something else, and then you earn gems as well. So
Yeah, you, if you pardon the pun, you level up. So here, I find it quite easy sometimes to look at the puzzle here and work out how to solve the puzzle before you start writing your lines of code. So in this one, you again avoid the spikes and collect the gems. So you are probably going along to the right, going down, going back up and along. I think. Let's try it. So hero move right, click run, and she will move to the right.
Move down command on line 4.
So now we need to move down to get the rest of them.
Move right.
move right,
Move down.
move down, and then we need to go up. Now, if I click move up once,
Move right. Move
if I
up.
right move up once rather, it will move up once, but we want her to move up twice. So we could write hero.move up again. However, to save writing lots and lots of lines of code, we just put a number 2 in brackets and she will
Move
move
right.
up
Move
twice.
right. Move
So
down.
right,
Move
down,
up.
up.
Oh.
And then it doesn't always work when it comes to later in the game and you're attacking trolls. You need to write attack, hero attack, troll on 2 separate lines. You can't put the number 2 in there. It's kind of you'll work it out as you get on. So let's just hero move right, and then that should be that
Move
one
right.
finished.
Move down.
Right,
Move up.
down, up twice,
Move right.
along to the right, and we are done. Excellent. Okay, so we'll pause it just now, and we'll rejoin it in a second once we're a few levels on, and yeah, we'll take it from there. But we won't, Kelly. We'll just keep going. Or do we just leave it at that?
I don't know. Do you want to
For
do
the
something?
win.
Show them something a bit more complicated.
I think we need to go through it. No, because I'm not logged in.
Move right.
So why don't I just
Oh.
why don't I just stop recording just now, and we'll double check that one works. Okay, so we've fast forwarded a little bit. I think we're on level 6 or level 7, where it's getting a little bit more complicated. On this one, as you can see, you have to say the password and move to the X. Now the password, I think, is up here in hints. Well, actually it tells you there, doesn't it, Kelly? Password is in the hints, so always use the hints. Make life easy for yourself. So we need to find out what the password is. The password for the library door is hush. Okay, so hero will move right, as you can see here, and then hero say, we'll need to write in here hush. So it needs to be within the exclamation marks. There's one thing, like with all computer coding, it has to be very, very accurate. So it has to be a capital H for hush. Let's just double check that. Hero move right. Say the password to open the door. Oh, there's another level. We need to go right, don't we?
Yep.
Let's see if that works.
Novice.
There you go. Brilliant.
Nice,
Okay.
nice.
So I mean, we could go on forever, but we won't, because we also appreciate that the sound quality isn't fantastic on this. Sorry about that. We are working on getting some cool microphones that work. We are not experts on this kind of thing. This is the first time we've done it, so bear with us. But you know, it's really good. I mean, as with a lot of the stuff for Level Up, Kelly, isn't it? We're really teaching the kids a lot of useful skills. So the skills you'll learn when you're doing coding, you'll learn critical thinking, problem solving. You'll need to learn to be creative. You need to learn to be resilient as well, because some of these levels can take a long time to work out. But genuinely, if you get stuck, leave your question in the comments to the video and we'll see what we can do. Anyway, I think we'll leave them now, Kelly,
Yeah, I think so.
and we will go on and see if we can defeat the ogres. Only because I remember this one's quite a tricky one.
Yeah.
So, best of luck. Keep trying. Again, on the comments, let us know any questions, any problems you have. But that's it for Code Combat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us any of your suggestions of anything you'd like to see in the comments below. And if you're stuck on anything, just write them in the comments and we'll do our best to help you. And we'll hopefully see you again soon.